It's steady as she goes on jobs. Australia's employers added 7 times the number of jobs expected last month, leaving the unemployment rate unchanged at 5.2%. The numbers may have been encouraging, but they continue to reinforce the reality of the two-speed economy. Here's Simon Palin.
Australia's multi-speed economic divide is widening.
Very much so. In terms of the northwestern states where mining is really driving things are looking really good there. Further south, southeast, definitely under a lot of pressure there.
BIS Shrapnel's new April economic outlook shows Western Australia remains the highest performer. And after being strong for years, Victoria has taken a turn for the worse.
Victoria has been really strong for some time because they've had quite strong dwelling investment and a lot of commercial building activity. The opening up of Docklands created a lot of activity there. But those projects are now finished. And so as a result, there's nothing there to fill that hole.
And those sentiments are reflected in the latest official jobs figures.
Victoria is continuing to decline in terms of jobs. They've actually lost about 15,000 jobs over the last 6 months.
In Victoria, March unemployment grew from 5.5% last month to 5.8%. Tasmania has the highest rate of unemployment at 7%. The lowest is in the ACT at 3.6%. More broadly, economists took some heart from the jobs data. Around the country, the jobless rate remained at 5.2%. 44,000 jobs were gained, 7 times more than expected.
That means the Australian economy in the last month has created a third of the jobs created in the total US economy. So the fundamentals of our economy are strong.
While the data was better than expected, the interest rate outlook remains largely the same.
We don't see today's data as changing the view that the Reserve Bank will lower interest rates in May.
We still see the risk for a rate cut there, but of course this number today does shave back those risks slightly.
And soon after it was released, the unemployment data sent the Australian dollar around 0.5% higher. Many economists predict the unemployment rate will rise slightly before improving to around 5% in the second half of the year.